everyone, it's Sunday, and you know what that means. It's now time for the review of the series finale of Araro here on Ara Ara Sundays. Yes, this is the last episode, katapusan na ng the last Viva Max original series for the year of 2023. So, how does Araro fare out in our tier list? Well, we'll find out after the review and the recap. And just to make sure, like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Ara Ara Sundays, only on Harriet. At ayun nga, there will be a scheduling change. Depends sa health ko. Kasi originally may kasal ako pupuntahan. Tinamaan akong lagnat for 1 week. Kaya yung mga review ko, yung first ever anime bold review ko is medyo hoarse. And yung bold review ko ng Hustlers medyo mahina rin. Kasi I'm still in the process of recovery. Good thing na 36.9 na yung temperatura ko. Kaya, and I've been giving a better set of medicine. Kasi hindi tumatalab talaga yung Ambroxol Ayun. So, if matutuloy yung pagpunta ko sa kasal ng kaibigan ko, the review of Higop, which is slated on December 15, will be moved to Sunday, December 17. So, there will be no Fridays with Viva Max if ever. It will be Sundays with Viva Max featuring Higop. And yeah, that's all. Wala nang Viva Max original series naman kasi. Kaya doon na tayo mag-review if due to scheduling talaga in my personal life. So, yun. Okay. Review na natin ang Araro episode 4. So, Araro episode 4, this is the pinnacle, the climax of the story, the end. Kasi dito maghihiganti na si Edgar kay Leon. Or will he? So, Leon managed to escape yung mga assailants ni Leon na tinatangkang hulihin siya. And we find out sa mga flashback scenes na ang nag-tip off kay Leon ay si Luisa. Luisa called Leon, this is with regards with one of her workers lodging into one of her sister's condominium in Manila, and she has to look out, and Leon has to look out for him. So Leon, curious, sends out Rhoda. Rhoda takes the voyeur approach, films Edgar having head, and then sends it over to Leon. One of Leon's men actually goes over to Rosalia, Leon's best friend. So they're not a couple yet, and shows it to Rosalia. And Rosalia, distraught, maybe she wants some revenge. She got that revenge sex sa tauhan ni Leon, of all people. So Edgar managed to go to the hideout ni Leon, and ang dating dito is nakarating siya sa hideout ni Leon, pero siya ay na-incapacitate. He managed to subdue Leon, but there are bodyguards that overwhelmed Edgar. Now we get to this interesting part of this series. When we thought na parang shootout yung mangyayari dito, hindi. It's more of a yung parang sa Loki season 1, yung nakaupo lang kayo, and then it's more of a conversation. Yeah. So, they unshackled Edgar, and Leon finds out about Edgar. He is the sister of Erlinda and tells the whole story. It turns out Leon is the fiance of Erlinda, and that they really love each other. So, it's a plot twist. And yung katulong sa mansyon ng Villa Sanchez, si Manay, Wena, she became the the witness to that, to their love. And yung pagkamatay ni Erlinda is actually suicide, and this is due to the Romeo and Juliet-ish na love story na nangyari. So, mayaman si Leon, mahirap si Erlinda, ayaw ng tatay, pinaghiwalay, at si Erlinda nagpakamatay. And yeah, yun yung nangyari talaga. Dahil dito, Edgar softens up his heart, points the gun down to Leon, and when gives him the locket. It turns out that is the locket that Erlinda requested from Edgar when Edgar was a seaman, and it turns out na yon ang ibibigay ni Erlinda kay Leon. Pero yun nga, dahil nga umalis si Leon or pinalaya si Leon, in-exile siya to Maynila, hindi na nagkaroon ng bigayan ng ganong ng mga ganong kwintas. This is a series of unfortunate events na na-realize ni Edgar that his revenge was wrong all along, and then he looks at his dad, and instead of getting back at him for lying, tuloy pa rin yung tulo, ligaya, at naging sila ni Rosalia, and they had sex, they made out. Yung kay naman, kay Leon, he got raided. Then si Don Luis got tipped na nahuli yung anak niya for being a drug pusher. And that's it. That's the end of the character arc of Leon and Abilia Sanchez. And I think Luisita will be Lucia or Luisita, I forgot her name. Micaela Ra's character is going to inherit the mansion, shown that she is riding the horse with her dad or something. And I think Laika is now alone in the condominium. I think Mira broke it up with her, and that's yun yung mga excuse me, nangyari. Now, what really intrigues me is after Edgar and Rosalia made out. Si Rosalia never told Edgar initially na pinuntahan siya ng mga tauhan ni Leon at tinangkang siyang patayin. And it turns out na ngayon lang nalaman ni Edgar na yun nga, minules siya ng tauhan ni Leon, under the jurisdiction ni Leon, si Rosalia. And this series ended with a Vince Redon, oh, what the hell did I let go? Bakit ko siya nilet go sa aking pagiganti na face? So yeah, it's your discretion if Leon was faking the story of the whole time. I think he was faking it. I'm surprised na mas pinaliwalaan pa ni Edgar si Leon kaysa sa sarili niyang ama. All those evidences could have been planted, to be honest. I mean, di ba nga sa simula, si Manay saka si Leon magkasabot talaga for some apparent reason. It's just that maybe when took the locket away when Erlinda died, pero di natin malalaman yun. Hanggang dito na lang yung araro eh. So if you think Leon faked the whole story, let me know. Kasi ako tingin ko talaga fake eh. Kasi kung tutusin, alam mo ba't pinake? Kasi ba't pa siya nagpadala ng tao, di ba? Is it because dahil inararo ni Edgar yung mga kapatid niya sa si Rhoda, kaya gumante? I think, pero ayun. Ang maganda doon is you're left hanging for the truth, pero ang pangit nga doon, this is Viva Max. They don't really do seasons except for HOS. Ayun. So let's go to the tier list. I am giving Araro a staggering 100% 100% smash. So this is a certified smash hit by Viva Max. I believe it's the best series they've put out this year, and kudos to them. So Friday or Sunday, see you na lang. Antabayan na lang yung higop, okay? It's your boy, God Gamer. Get well, goodbye, and good night. Bang!